So stay with me. Let's cut the okra. I want to cook okra soup with ugu leaf. So I'm cutting the okra already. As you can see. Why now? Does it catch someone upon the group? Someone I need help. Who is there? So we're almost done. So here's my okra. I'm using okra. This is Nigeria okra. I'm using okra to make this. So I'm cutting the okra. Julia has come back from school. See the way that I'm stopping up and down. Since they went to my mouth has closed. Now that has come back, I have started shouting up and down. Last night I didn't sleep. My teeth. Really, I wake up around 3. My eyes was open. How one these children went to school. Since that time I sleep never enter my eye. Now they have started and I have started shouting. They will not allow me to rest. As I'm talking to you, this teeth is still paining me, but I'm managing myself. I'm trying to feel something that they will eat, but they will not even comport themselves, respect themselves. Stay and be shouting up and down. What is it? You are who? Eh? You are who? They want to write the assignment. You allow them, right? Hmm? They want to write the assignment. You allow them to do the assignment, right? Ben. Sometimes I don't even think. My hair is scattered, turn upside down. Who know hear the story? Still short. How long have you done mother for now? Give me one second. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, it's heavy. I said I'll come and lose it. Sorry. Shift it like this. So it's after everything. After we finish eating, cooking, we eat. We're about to tie charcoal. You fetch what should be tying which one?
I'll fetch.
So guys, we're about to tie. We're tying the charcoal now. Since 2 days we don't have charcoal in the shop, even the one that I'm using. We are tying the charcoal. For some days now, we don't have charcoal in the shop. Even the one that I'm using, we don't have charcoal. Then I use and make food today. I have to go and buy in another place. So the suppliers that normally supply charcoal for us, they just brought our own this afternoon, and we decided to tie. They bring 2 bags, so we decided to tie one bag. Understand? Because of customers, people that normally buy charcoal from us, so we won't disappoint them. So my daughter will be fetching. Yeah. So me, I will be tying. You see how she's doing it. Why me? I will be tying. So stay tuned to the video, okay? Bye. So we are almost done, and we are tying this. Ren wants it's about to. So we are doing fast, so that we can get here. It's about to rain. So guys, at this point we're almost done. I don't want to fall, so keep liking, keep commenting, keep subscribing, okay? And also keep supporting us. We love you. Chichi Lifestyle and family love you, okay? Please, you can do us a favor by subscribing to our channel, by liking the video, by commenting, by helping us by sharing the video, by supporting. Please share the video. Help us watch the video, okay? Please keep subscribing like I said, and also keep supporting. Oh, we love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. At this point we have to end the video. Rain is about to fall. Rain is raining. Okay, so have a wonderful day and hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, have a wonderful day and see you guys in another video. Bye for now.